Let's get learning with Santino.
Hi everyone, I'm Santino and today we're learning about digital clocks. We'll see a range of digital clocks, where we can find them and how to read them. So let's get learning! Check this out! It's a digital clock. It looks very different to the analog clocks we've been looking at, but it tells the time just the same. A digital clock doesn't have hands. It tells the time using numbers only. We can find them in lots of places. Have you seen a digital clock before? You could pause it here and tell a friend where you have seen a digital clock. Check out all the places that I have seen digital clocks. You might have seen them in school, on a watch, on a microwave, or even on a grown-up's phone. Digital clocks are everywhere. Now let's take a closer look at these digital clocks. What do you notice about them? They all have numbers, right? And what are those little dots between the numbers? That's called a colon. It separates the hour from the minutes. Let's count how many digital clocks we have here. 1, 2, 3. Alright, let's learn how to read the hour time. First, look at this digital clock. It says 7:00. Can you see that 7 at the beginning? That tells us the hour. And those 2 zeros that follow the colon, they show that it's 0 minutes. And we read that as o'clock. 7 o'clock. Let's see it on an analog clock too. Both clocks say the same time, 7 o'clock. The hour hand on the analog clock is pointing to 7. And on the digital clock, we see 7 on the hour side, with the 2 zeros representing 0 minutes. 7 o'clock. Okay, let's look at another digital time. Look at this digital clock. 4:00. Can you see that 4 at the beginning? That tells us the hour. And those 2 zeros that follow the colon, they show that it's 0 minutes. And we read that as o'clock. 4 o'clock. Let's see the same time on an analog clock. Both clocks say the same time, 4 o'clock. The hour hand on the analog clock is pointing to 4, and on the digital clock, we see 4 on the hour side with the 2 zeros showing 0 minutes. 4 o'clock. Are you starting to understand how to tell the time on a digital clock? Well, now have a practice. I'm going to show you some digital times and you'll have to say what is the time. See if you can read these digital clocks. What's the time on this digital clock? The time is 6 o'clock. Can you see the 6 on the hour side? And the 2 zeros on this side shows 0 minutes. 6 o'clock. Let's keep practicing. What's the time on this digital clock? The time is 2 o'clock. There's 2 on the hour side and 0 minutes on this side. 2 o'clock. Let's try another. What's the time on this digital clock? The time is 12 o'clock. There's 12 on the hour side and 0 minutes on this side. 12 o'clock. What's the time on this digital clock? The time is 4 o'clock. There's 4 on the hour side and 0 minutes on this side. 4 o'clock. Wow, we've learned lots about digital clocks and how to read the hour time. Remember, a digital clock and an analog clock might look very different, but we use both ways to tell the time. This week, keep a sharp lookout for digital clocks around you and see if you can read the hour side of the clock. Happy learning and see you next time! Be sure to like and subscribe, there's lots more to see. Come back again soon for more learning with me.